Welcome back to 12 Days of DIY, Day 7. Starting off with a super easy DIY, just using a circle hole punch and some gold tissue paper, I am punching out a bunch of gold circles. Once I feel like I have enough, taking a clear ornament from Dollar Tree, pulling the top off, and putting the tissue paper circles inside. Adding some ribbon to hang it, and that's it, we're all done. For this next DIY, we are making some pom-poms out of yarn. So just using a cardboard template to wrap the yarn around a bunch of times and then tying off in the center, cutting the loops on each side, and trimming the pom-pom to a perfect circle. Taking some popsicle sticks and cutting those in half, hot gluing in a Y shape. Then taking the top off of a mini ornament and hot gluing that into the center of one of our pom-poms. And here we have a pom-pom reindeer banner. For this last project, I started off with an old glitter star that I spray painted to seal the glitter in place and give our star some added texture. I then painted on top of the spray paint in a gold color and let that dry. Once the paint was completely dry, I added some alcohol ink very sporadically and dabbed it in using a sponge, layering all three colors of alcohol ink. And here we have our new tree topper and aged iron star. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in day 8 of 12 Days of DIY.